Do you have certain items that you use daily at work but never seem to have them when you need them? I have that problem too. This little kit solves that. Want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. What's up everybody and welcome to Northeast Preparedness. Today I wanted to show you an EDC tin that I put together to keep all the small items that I use daily at work in a place where I have quick access to them. This tin is slightly bigger than a standard Altoids tin. It measures about 4.5 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and about 3/4 of an inch deep. Here's an Altoids tin just for comparison. Although it's a little bit larger in size than the standard Altoids tin, it still fits nicely in my pocket and it really isn't that noticeable. Before I get into the contents of this tin, I just want to say that this is not by any means a survival tin. This is simply items that I use daily at work that I want to keep close by. What you might decide to carry in a tin like this is going to be completely different than what I carry. These are items that I use specifically throughout the day. Having said that, let's take a look at what's inside. So starting with what's on top, I have a standard microfiber cloth. I have a couple of regular band-aids for when I cut my fingers up working on computer cases. A couple of eyeglass wipes for my glasses. Some Kevlar cord. Some heat shrink tubing. An SD to Lightning adapter for transferring files from my iPhone to a computer. A Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack. A flash drive with a Windows 10 installer on it and some utility files that I use constantly. A little bit of electrical tape wrapped around a paper clip. Some duct tape wrapped around a paper clip. A Zebra extendable pen. An SD to micro SD adapter with a micro SD card. Bic lighter to use with the shrink tubing. My Olight i3E EOS with an extra battery. Some random zip ties for doing cable management in computers. A plug-and-play USB Wi-Fi adapter. A small binder clip. These work great for pulling wires out of the way inside a computer. This is a small bit driver. It's ratcheting and can be used as a screwdriver. This is the Gerber Vise multi-tool. You use this for taking standoffs in and out of computer cases. Just a small pry bar. This small tin has bits for my bit driver. And this small tin has 2 doses of allergy medicine and 2 doses of Tylenol. Just a little bit of cotton to keep them from rattling around. And the last tin just random computer screws and standoffs. I probably use this tin more than anything else that I have in here. So here's a quick overview of everything that I keep in the tin. Being able to keep all of these items in my pocket and have them right there when I need them instead of having to dig through my EDC bag makes life a lot easier at work. So what kind of stuff do you carry in your pockets for work? Do you carry an EDC tin? Maybe a pocket organizer? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a thumbs down. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.